To create the newsletter for your website, first click Automation on the main menu. Next, click Get Started. Next, select a newsletter template. Then next to Feeds, click Add New. Enter the URL of the website you would like to use for the website. Then click Add. This will work for any website that has an RSS feed, such as WordPress or Wix, as well as public Twitter feeds and Facebook feeds. A quick preview of the newsletter is shown below. Next, to finish this step off, click Create Newsletter to complete the newsletter. The newsletter will now appear in your list of newsletters. You can now click the plus button to prepare an email to send. You can review the email before sending it and make modifications. Any changes to the newsletter on this screen will affect only this particular email, and you will need to make the changes again if you send another newsletter and would like that newsletter to also include changes. If you'd like to make changes to the templates so you don't need to make changes for each newsletter, you must click Edit on the newsletter list. This will edit all future newsletters created from the template.